Distraction is the biggest enemy of your productivity. As a test, try to watch this video until the very end without clicking off. The video doesn't last even 10 minutes. Yet, it takes at least 23 minutes to get fully involved in the process of work after you've lost concentration for even a moment. Well, to be precise, it's actually 1,395 seconds. So, to start being really productive, make your workplace as non-distracting as possible. Don't try to multitask. Chances are you won't complete anything challenging if you're scrolling your social media feed simultaneously. So turn on silent mode or even fright mode to stop notifications, and once you've started working, don't take a short every 10 minutes break. Now, what if your brain just won't do anything hard? Give it a workout. The best way to really jumpstart your gray matter is to use all 5 senses simultaneously. Go to a farmer's market or have lunch at that nice restaurant you've wanted to visit. Food is a great way to activate all your senses, which involves different parts of your brain. You'll trigger your sense of smell and taste, sight and hearing and touch, and your brain will feel refreshed and ready to work. Looking for a way to trick yourself into being productive? A competitive spirit can help. A simple contest, even ones like "Who loses more pounds this month?" always makes people more productive than usual. Another trick to begin difficult things is to eat a frog first thing in the morning. Sounds chic, like French cuisine. But really, it means to do your biggest and hardest tasks first. Because when you leave the hard stuff for later, you stress over it, which makes you less productive. To reward yourself after any unpleasant frog eating, treat yourself to some watermelon. They beat fatigue. A banana can be great too. Sometimes the hardest part is to just start your tasks. Lie to yourself when you begin and tell yourself that as you finish this task, you'll be done working for the day and you'll go to the movies with an extra-large popcorn or another reward. When you finish the task, chances are you won't go to the movies and will continue working instead. Don't choose feed scrolling as a reward though. 15 minutes online seems harmless, but scrolling gets your dopamine, a neurotransmitter that makes us feel pleasure, to an excessive level. This causes addiction and makes everything else seem boring. So, the more you reward yourself with social media when a task's accomplished, the harder it will be to complete the next one. 20 minutes of exercise is a perfect reward for your body and mind. Exercise sets your dopamine to a normal level. Physical activity pumps more blood to your brain. Your muscles may be tired after a workout, but you're going to be more focused than ever. Exercise helps our body produce essential neurotransmitters, such as endorphins and serotonin. Oh, by the way, even the simplest house chores count as exercise. Maybe it's high time you dusted the shelves. If you're having trouble learning something new, you should try to teach it. You'll have to explain the concept, and you'll find any mistakes you might make too. Suppose you're struggling with a challenging math topic. Try watching a YouTube video and then inviting a friend over to teach it to them. 5 hours of cramming and still no result? Maybe it's too quiet. Crank up some good tunes that will fire up your creativity and help you find the solution faster. Melodic instrumentals are the best choice. It increases dopamine levels by up to 9%. Some companies that introduce music as part of their corporate culture claim that staff productivity got 40% higher. Whenever you feel demotivated facing a massive task, try not to do everything at once. Split it into several subtasks. First, write a plan, set the key points, write the speech, and then think of a presentation. Don't forget the reward system, cuddle your cat or eat a piece of cake. When you accomplish any of the tasks, reward yourself by releasing some dopamine. Spring cleaning your mind may be an excellent way to trick it into being more productive. The right food can be the best way to refresh your brain. Our brain needs fatty acids to oxygenate, so fish, nuts, and seeds are the fuel your brain might want. A good night's sleep is also a must for feeling good, but if you need to boost your brain activity right here and right now, try a power nap. Only 45 to 60 minutes are enough. Yeah, this one probably sounds like a poor sleep habit, but it actually increases brain activity and improves your memory. Research showed that people who were allowed to have a quick hour-long nap managed to recall new words more easily than those who watched DVDs instead. An excellent way to train your brain is to draw a map. From memory, map the city you live in, assuming it's not Monterey, a town with a population of 1. Include significant streets and places of interest. If it seems too easy, draw the U.S. map, including all states. It boosts your memory, creativity, and activates different areas of the brain. Use your non-dominant hand to increase brain activity. Try switching hands while having lunch, scratching your back, or when grabbing a snack from the fridge. Even brushing your teeth seems complicated when you change hands. The more you do it, the more alive your brain will be. One more quick activity is to name 2 objects that start with each letter of your first or last name. So, if you're Mike, you can have a monkey, mud, iceberg, igloo, kettle, kid, elephant, and eel. Too easy? Reorder the months in the alphabetical order. You'll start with April, then December, and so on. Do it without pen and paper to make it a real challenge. Still too easy? Try reverse alphabetical order. Just a hint, September comes first. Here's a brain workout you can do right now. Set your stopwatch for 60 seconds and study these 8 unrelated words: chair, dentist, shoes, cabbage, squirrel, door, horseshoe, jug. Now, take a break and do something else for 10 minutes. Then, try to remember the words. Here's another one for right now. Look around and find 5 green objects and 5 red objects. This trains your brain and your eyes. Let's try another game to boost your brain energy. Here's the word tall. The task is to change one letter at a time until the word tall turns into the word sail. Answer: tall, fall, fail, sail. Be kind to your short-term memory. We all have our limits, so just take quick notes whenever you need to remember something important. Hey, you made it through to the end of the video! Watch at least 23 minutes of our videos to really boost your brain and get fully involved in the bright side.